¿Qué frontera entró?
Por Obaldia, desde Colombia.
Ah, ya, vino en ferry, en avión.
Sí, en lancha.
Lancha.
Sí.
Good morning internet, it is 8:30 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome here in Bocas del Toro, but I'm leaving now. Look, I packed up Alaska, she is ready to go, and well, today I am leaving Panama. I cannot believe it because I had such a lovely time here in Panama, but I'm leaving and today I'm crossing the border into Costa Rica. So got another border crossing to go. Fingers crossed it's gonna be a smooth one. Okay, let's go. I'll first have to take the ferry back to the mainland again. So let's do that. Last time riding that little beach road. Oh, I'm gonna miss this road. So nice to ride here. Oh. Okay, I am in Almirante again. I have to find the ferry again. Here, I think. In line. These are all waiting. Gracias. We are almost there, and it's a tight squeeze. Hey Alaska, what's going on, girl? Ready for another border, ready for another country. Costa Rica. It's about we start riding. From here, from Almirante to the border with Costa Rica, it's about 40 kilometers. So it's only a short hop to the border. Oh, there's definitely quite a few people wanting to get to Bocas. It's a big queue. It's a very nice road to the border. It's a brand new tarmac and it just kind of goes through these forests here. Look, There used to be a train passing here. This is the old railway bridge over a very big river, Rio Changiola or something. It's the name of this river. So, police check, army. Hola. Buenas.
¿Cómo está?
Bien. ¿Y usted?
Vaya, ya.
Ok, gracias.
Dale, gracias.
Ciao. Not sure why you stopped me. Just to say hello. Alright, I'm already here on the Panama side of the border. This is Guapito. This is the border town. So let's figure out yet another border. Where do I need to go? This is already the bridge. Where do I need to go? Here. Ah. Migración. Ya, gracias. That's what I thought. I first have to do migration before going on the actual bridge. Is that here? 53. Salute. Review of luggage.
Voy a Costa Rica.
¿Usted va saliendo?
Sí.
Ah,
sí.
tranquila, no hay problema.
No hay problema.
No hay problema.
¿Dónde voy por migración entonces?
Migración aquí abajo.
En este container.
No,
Ah.
la calle al final.
Aquí.
Así.
Ah, ok, gracias.
Sí.
Okay, this is just for when you enter Panama. So I don't have to do anything here. Migration is around the corner. Over there. Oh, there, yeah. I see it's migration. Okay, that was that. I am stamped out of Panama. That's usually the easiest part. Now I have to cancel my temporary import permit with customs, which is again over here. This building then, probably. No. Yes. I don't know. Here? No. I have no idea. Everything is so confusing. He said up here. Ah, over there. Okay, get my papers. Okay, that was very easy. Took a few minutes. They just cancelled the tip. So now I can cross the bridge. Paperwork wise it's all good, so I can cross the bridge. I just have to show my passport here, I think. Hola.
Hola,
Buenas.
¿cómo estás?
Bien.
Qué
¿Y
bueno,
usted?
bastante bien, gracias a Dios, mejor ahora que la estoy viendo. Ok, deme un segundito que viene el compañero de aduana subiendo para tomar los datos a la multa de la salida.
Ok, ya,
Gracias.
claro.
Que tenga un bonito viaje.
Gracias, señor. Hola.
Ya fue a aduana a entrar el control vehicular, aduana,
Sí, aduana, sí. Ya,
Ya.
ya pasé. Gracias.
para ver pasaporte.
Pasaporte.
¿Qué frontera entró?
Por Obaldia, desde Colombia.
Ah, ya, vino en ferry, en avión,
Sí, en lancha.
lancha.
Sí.
Ajá. Este fue que el muchacho puso acá.
Sí, sí, ella acá.
Ajá.
Acá.
5. Ah, ok, déjame anotar, a ver, espera.
Ya, claro.
Ok.
Ya.
Bien, chica.
Ok,
Bye.
gracias. Ya, adiós. Alright, crossing the bridge into Costa Rica. Well, it's equally confusing on this side. I guess I have to go somewhere here. Where exactly? This looks like something. Aduana. Migración. Okay, I'm here. Ciao. I'm just gonna make one more stop to see if I can buy a local SIM card. Then I'm also connected and buy some internet, maybe. See if I can do that here. Looks like. Hola.
¿Qué ocupabas?
¿Yo? No sé, soy motoviajera. ¿Y tú? ¿Eres de aquí, de Costa Rica? ¿Trabajas aquí? Aquí en esta tienda. Ah. Hay otras tiendas que se venden chip.
Sí, pero solo los VNs te la venden activada.
Solo él puede activarlo.
Ajá, en el súper te la venden, pero no te la venden activada.
Ah, ok. Ya. Espero entonces. ¿Y él también cambia dinero? Sí. Ok, muy bien. Alright, that is done as well. I've got a local SIM card and I've changed some of my dollars for the local currency, which is colones. Where do I go? This way. Where am I going? To the main road. So yeah, it was a really smooth border crossing. It just took a little over an hour. On the Costa Rica side, I just had to buy a local insurance and they stepped me in, gave me the import permit. That's it. Really easy. So yeah, another country. I say welcome to Costa Rica. Woohoo! So I'm now going to ride about, yeah, it's a little under 50 kilometers and I'm gonna try to stay the night there. That's the plan. Oh, and because I entered Costa Rica, I entered another time zone as well, so the clock went back an hour. So really I didn't lose any time in the border crossing. How awesome. Let's put my goggles on. Let's go! I am now a few kilometers away from a town called Bribri. And if you remember from the last episode where I visited Naso people, the Bribri tribe were one of the 4 enemies of the Naso people. So they must have been based kind of in this area, at that town called Bribri. Oh, it is so incredibly green down here. What a good start of Costa Rica. And Costa Rica is actually the only country in Central America that I don't know very well. All the other countries I've already been to, I've traveled there or worked there. But Costa Rica is the only country that, well, I've been here before, but I only took like a night bus through the entire country without seeing anything. Yeah, so this is really the first time I am exploring Costa Rica. So I'm actually pretty excited about it myself. It's a small country, like almost any country in Central America. But I think there are some adventures to be found here. New point. Gracias. Alright, it is time to find myself my first Costa Rican meal, I would say. See if I can get some, well, brunch, lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it. I'm hungry. So I'm just gonna walk towards the beach, see if we can find some restaurant. I never understand locks that when I turn this way it opens, and to close it I must turn it that way. I don't know, this doesn't make any sense to me. See, now I have to turn it this way to close it. So odd. See, here is the beach already. Look at this black sand. Wow. Oh, look at that. There is a sloth just there in the tree. It's eating leaves. This is my first meal in Costa Rica. It's a red snapper in Caribbean sauce and some platano, some plantains and some salad. Oh, it looks so good. There's some light here, I'm gonna use this. So yeah, another border crossing done. I'm super excited to be here in Costa Rica and I can't wait to see what adventures Alaska and me are gonna have here in Costa Rica. So yeah, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.